Hello everyone, my name is Anil Tiwari and I am present this topic software architecture. Software architecture refer to the high level structure of software system to disciplines of creating such structures and documentation of these structures. These structures are needed to reason about the software system and software and architectural pattern is general reusable solution and commonly occurring problem and software architecture within a given content. Arch- Architectural pattern are similarly software design pattern but have a broader scope. सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम की हाई लेवल स्ट्रक्चर होती है इसमें हम सिस्टम को समझ डिजाइन और मेंटेन कर सकते हैं आर्किटेक्चर किसी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम को रीयूजेबल सॉल्यूशन होता है आर्किटेक्चर पैटर्न The fundamental problem to the solve within a large system is how to break into the chunk manageable and human programs and understanding implementation and maintenance. Large scale patterns for this purpose are called architecture pattern. बड़े सिस्टमों को छोटे हिस्से में बांटना जरूरी होता है ताकि प्रोग्रामर समझ सके आसानी से डेवलप और मेंटेन कर सके इन्हीं बड़े सॉल्यूशनों को आर्किटेक्चर पैटर्न कहा जाता है आर्किटेक्चर पैटर्न है लेयर्ड क्लाइंट सर्वर पैटर्न मास्टर स्लैब पैटर्न पाइप पाइप फिल्टर पैटर्न ब्रोकन पैटर्न पीयर टू पीयर पैटर्न इवेंट बस पैटर्न मॉडल व्यू कंट्रोल बस पैटर्न ब्लॉक बोर्ड पैटर्न इंटरप्ट पैटर्न layer pattern this pattern is also known as an entire architecture pattern it can be used to structure program that can be decomposed into the group of subtasks each of which is at the particular level of abstraction. Each layer provides service to the next higher layer. ये इसका डायग्राम बना हुआ है यूजर जनरल डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट एप्लीकेशन कॉमन लेयर ऑफ ए जनरल information system presentation layer also known as UI layer application also known as a service layer business logic layer also known as a domain layer data access layer also known as a pre-sentence layer इसके बने हुए लेयरों के डायग्राम लेयर्ड पैटर्न है डिफरेंस लेवल ऑफ abstractions request go down notification go back up possible to define stable interacts between layers may add or change layer over time presentation layer component है business layer presentation layer database layer layered pattern solution start with the lowest letter build layer on top use same layer after within each layer components cannot spread over two layers key lower layer lane specify interface for each layer handle error at the lowest level possible client server pattern this pattern constitutes two present a server and multiple clients the server components will provide service to multiple client components. Client request service from the server and server provides relevant service for those clients. The service continues to listen the continuous request uses online applications such as email, documentation, share and banking. ये इसका डायग्राम है मास्टर स्लव पैटर्न दिस पैटर्न consists to prevent master and slave the master components disturb to work among identify slave component and computers a final result from a result which is a slave return used as on database every application the master database is regarded as the authenticative source and slave data of and synchronization to it Peripheral connects to the bus computer system master and slave drive. Master से master slave 1, slave 2, slave 3. Peri pipe filter pattern. This pattern can be used to structure system which produce The process or stream of data which each processing step of encode within a filter component data is to be pro- processed or passed through pipes. These pipes can be used to buffering or synchronize process used as compiling the consentive filter perform lexical analysis, parsing, segmentic analyzing, and code generation workflow in bioformat. High elements needs the intermediate files, can replace files easily, can achieve different effects, source recommendation. If data stream format is standard filter by developed independently, parallelization possible. Data stream processing may be subdivided into the stage, may recombine stage, not adjust stage, do not share information, may decide different state to be known, different processor standardization data structure between stage. इसका डायग्राम ये भी डायग्राम है broken pattern. This pattern is used to structure distribute system with decomposed components. These components can interact with each other by remote service invocation. A Workers component is responsible for the coordination and communication among component. Service publish their capable to a broker. Client requests a service from a broker and broker then redirects the client to suitable service from its agency used as message broker software as a Apache ActiveMQ, Apache Kafka, RabbitMQ, client broker server 1, server 2, server 3. Peer-to-peer pattern. In this pattern, individual components are known as a peer. Peer may function both a client request service from other peer and server providing service to other peer. Peer may act as client or as a server or as both, and it can change its role dynamically with time. Uses file sharing network as a Quanta multimedia protocol such as a P2PTB and PDTP. Proprietary multimedia applications such as a Spotify, peer-to-peer client server, event bus pattern. This pattern primarily deals with event and has four major components: event source, event listener, event channel, and event bus. Source public message to particular channel on the event bus. Listener subscriber to particular channel. Listener are notified of message that are published to the channel to each they can subscriber before. Usage Android development notification service. इसका ये डायग्राम है पब्लिशर इवेंट पोस्ट इवेंट बस इवेंट सब्सक्राइबर ऑन इवेंट ये भी इसका डायग्राम है लॉजिक प्रिवेंटर लॉजिक बस मेन्यू प्रोसीजर मेल प्रोसीजर मेन्यू मॉडल व्यू कंट्रोलर पैटर्न this pattern also known as a MVC pattern divided and interact application into the three parts as a model contains the core function of and data view display the information to the user more than one view may be defined controller handles the input from the user. This is done a separate internal representation of information from the way information is present to and accept from the user. It decou- decouples more components and allow efficient code reuse. Use architecture for worldwide web application in major programming language web framework such as a Django and Relay. इसका डायग्राम है ये भी blockboard pattern. This pattern is used for the problem of such for which deterministic solution, string and known. The blackboard pattern consists of three main components: blackboard, knowledge source, and control component. A structured global memory containing objects from the solution space. Specialized modules with their own representation, select, configures, and execution modules. All the components have access to the blackboard. Component may be produced new data project that are added to the blackboard. Components look a particular kind of data into the blackboard and they find these pattern matching with the existing knowledge source. Usage space, speech or recognition, vehicle identification and tracking, protection, structure identification, sonar signal and interpreter. Problem solving work independently on the part of the problem. Share common data structure, central control manager, access to the blackboard. Blackboard may be structured in the level of abstraction to allow works at different levels. Black part change original input and partial solution. Different difficult to test. इसका diagram है difficult to guarantees and optimal solution control strategy often haircut may be computationally represent parallels possible. इसका डायग्राम है interpreter pattern. This pattern is used for the designing component that interpret a program written a dedicated language. It may space how to implement lines of programs known as sensitive and expressions written a particular language. The basic idea is to have a class for each symbols of language. Use a database inquiry language such as a SQL language used to describe communication protocol. इसका डायग्राम है इसके summary टाइप एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज लेयर के क्लाइंट सर्वर के मास्टर स्लेव के इन सभी की